Hey guys, so today is graduation day and Ify is at work sadly, so she gave me her camera to vlog today while I'm on my way to graduation. Fortunately, I'm running late because there's crazy traffic. Like, it usually takes me like 10 minutes from my place to get to this venue, but I've been in traffic for at least 15 plus minutes, so unfortunately I'm running late. My makeup took longer than I thought it would, so yeah. But anywho, can't really see me, but I guess we'll see later in the video. But I'm really excited, kind of nervous, but really excited. So I'll see you guys later.
Dr. Nkiruka Olivia Mparu, being hooded by her father, Dr. Fidelis Mparu.
Guys, it is the day of Inky's, I'm about to say juniors. It's the day of Inky's party and we're about to go to the hall to decorate. And I'm here with my baby boy, Junior.
What up?
Say what's up to the vlog.
What up?
Anyways, I'm looking extra crusty this morning, guys, so I apologize. We had a rough night last night. A long drive here, but we're good. We're good. Anyways, she's calling me. BRB. Hello, mommy?
It's all about the light though. That light though.
Okay.
Yes.
Go and stand with your...
You're not graduating.
She's home and...
No, I don't think
You're looking for trouble.
And then you graduated 50 years ago. And you still look young. I don't want to take it away from you. Okay. In count of three. Please. 1, 2, 3. Or whichever direction I go. Please obey me. I don't play.
I want Junior in
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Yes. So let's cut the cake and serve to everyone. We're not going to serve those who are gone. So we have to serve
One for one stay.
yeah, for one thing. For the one that are going to receive messages and gold from Obama. Okay. Come over here. You're going to toast your sister. Okay. Please open every bottle of...
Definitely think that the discipline that I learned from my dad helps me be the person I am today. So thank you, Daddy. And for my mom, most of you know her very well. My mom is jack of all trades, and she's there for everybody. And I don't know how she does it, but there's nobody in this room that can say that my mom hasn't been there when they called her. Yep. Sometimes when I interact with my friends at school or my social environments, when somebody asks me to do something, even though I don't want to do it, I feel so compelled to do it. And I don't know why. And it's because of this lady right here, because I have watched her for 25 years do the most for everybody. And it has definitely rubbed off on me, not only in my personality, but also in my professional career. I have always strived to do the best that I can do while I've been in school, and it's because of the combination of these two that I have been able to do that. So thank you, Mommy. Thank you for being a support and guidance through my education. Okay, so moving on, next is Ify.
Road trip to the Poconos and my wife.
And a Jenna Pocono.
Yes. I think you filmed something.
Huh?
I Yeah, but she edits.
When I say
It
something,
doesn't matter.
make
She
sure.
edits.
No, I just turned it on just now.
Isn't this Titanic?
Yeah. When are we gonna go to see her? Oh yeah, Mom, you know they said that this weekend was the last weekend she's performing in Vegas until September.
So like next year.
Until September.
No,
Yeah.
I think it's until next year.
Oh, until next year? Oh yeah.
Until next. Oh, okay, what can you have a schedule? Yeah, man, last year.
Yeah. Mhm.
So, guys, I'm going to theater back when perform was your last.
I don't know.
I don't
Because
know.
he just lost the husband.
Yeah, but that was the end of
brother.
last year.
Was it?
Yeah.
Would have been nice if you could have gone though. Before she disappeared again.
If we would have known this weekend, we could have gone.
Too tight.
Well,
But yeah.
Next year.
Why don't we just
I
go
need to
now?
see Celine Dion.
we should just go now.
We should just go now.
Can we drive this thing to Vegas?
Let's go to Vegas. Let's
Can we-
drive to
Can we
Vegas.
drive this car to Vegas?
Get the ticket. Ticket if you're okay, what you need to Las Vegas.
Wow.
No? We have to next year.
Okay.
Kita asik banget dia nenek berkomis sekarang money.
Mommy,
Yes.
We wanted to give you stuff for you. Mother's Day, your birthday, stuff.
So,
Is this it?
yeah, we're actually on our way to the airport. We're going to Vegas!
Not going anywhere.
Mommy, we got tickets.
Why not?
We got tickets!
First of all,
Mommy, yes we are.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, we
Our
are.
flight's in like an hour and a half. So
Yeah.
we get there.
We love you, Mommy.
no, we're not going to Las Vegas.
Yes, we are.
I told the whole world that I'm going to book my house.
Well,
Well, we're going to
to Vegas. That's even better to go see Celine Dion tomorrow night.
We got good seats.
Well, do I have clothes?
Yes, I told you to pack clothes.
How do you know I packed the right clothes?
Dress and heels. That's all you need. So yeah, we got 3 tickets to Celine Dion, and we're going to Vegas tonight, Mommy.
Yeah.
Did Chris know about this?
Yes.
Lawrence know about this?
Yes.
Somehow I felt that somebody's doing something.
Mommy!
Somehow I felt that. Do you know what if he was telling me?
What?
That I need to come early so I can help you go buy kitchen stuff, this stuff. So I kept wondering, can't think he buy trash can? Can't think he buy kitchen towels? Many times. Hurry so I can go help.
Because we needed you to be in Dayton on time. But I really didn't get off at work at 4:30. I was supposed to get off at
I told you I
5:30.
was gonna make it before you. A few minutes later, Junki was like, "Yeah, we can trust you."
I know, because
stay cute, stay cute. I said, stay cute.
Mommy!
And then I came in. I went to the back and parked my car.
Uh-huh.
Nako, boom, boom, boom,
I
nothing.
know. I didn't even know it was you.
And then I went to the front. What are you guys? No, this is not true.
Mommy, it's your birthday present and your Mother's Day present. We've been planning this for a while.
No.
Yes, Mommy.
Planning it for a while.
Yes, Mommy. Yes, we have. You just didn't know. Here's proof. Here's our boarding pass.
Where are we going?
We're going to Las Vegas.
Are we going to Columbus?
Yes. Mommy, you're the best.
Mommy, get
Mommy, we
excited.
love you. We're
going to Celine Dion.
We're going to see Celine Dion. This must be better, isn't it?
We're going to Las Vegas. Yeah.
Mommy, are you happy or are you sad?
Are you mad? Mommy?
Mom? Are you there?
We're 30 minutes away from the
I
airport.
wasn't sure that you guys are going to. I wasn't sure that you guys are going to Las Vegas.
What do you mean?
Not sure.
You're not sure? That's her.
You don't believe it?
My bag are packed here like.
Well, I
you guys stay-
added a carry-on for you because I didn't trust you. That's why I said to pack light. I said last night I was like, no, I need to add a carry-on for Mommy because I don't trust her.
But then I said, I'm driving my car. Why would I want to mind what I packed?
That's because
I kept telling
Yeah.
I kept telling you pack
one
light.
backpack, one day.
Because I told you we have activities.
We have activities. We have activities, Mom.
You're laughing.
You're laughing.
Did you guys tell your daddy the truth?
No. Because we were afraid that he
Daddy
would tell
tell
you.
you. Yeah. We were gonna tell Daddy, but then we were too afraid that he would tell you.
And then Daddy just said that place doesn't look
I know
good.
that Poconos is bad. What did he say? What did he say?
A rundown place.
And then Mommy, yesterday when I called you at work and you were saying you were on the computer and you were looking that they have
Poconos.
shows. You said they have shows. I was like, yeah, they have shows.
We're going to a
We're
show.
going to a show.
Yeah. It's not in the Poconos.
And then I asked you today, do we have a show to attend tonight when we get there to Poconos? I said, I heard it's all inclusive.
Well.
Well,
Oh my.
well, anyways, we're staying at a really nice hotel in Vegas.
You found yourself.
Yeah.
Where are we staying?
The Renaissance Las Vegas on the Strip. 4-star hotel. Are you ready for the vacation of a lifetime?
But I could have brought the right clothes to go to.
Mommy, we
I
can
don't know
always
what I
buy
would
you
have-
a
I
dress.
don't know
We can
what I
always
would
buy
have.
you a
Mommy, it
dress.
doesn't matter.
But I brought things, so
Okay.
I overboarded. But
Exactly.
yeah. And fortunately, they all fit into. Junior saw everything. Mommy, where are you going with all this? These kids, I said in my mind, these kids, I raised you guys. You can tell me how I'm gonna pack. I take care of myself so that anything comes out, I'm ready. In fact, I have clothes. Okay.
She has clothes.
Yes, I do really have clothes.
Okay.
Celine Dion.
Yep, Mommy.
I'm calling you if you're okay.
Wait, shouldn't you call Daddy first?
Yeah.
Oh my God. No wonder you say you can weather your daddy na or say not yet.
Why? You don't want you to have to call him twice.
Yeah. Mommy, see your tickets? We're going. Woo! We're going. Wait, who are you calling?
Your daddy. They fooled me. They from Nigeria. I suspected this. I said, did they tell your daddy? They said in the part they're afraid if they tell you, you will tell me. Personal Las Vegas guy Jacob Joseph Celine Dion. That's what they said. I've been Googling Poconos, and then if I didn't, I know all inclusive. They say that I will show I get in that. I see it. Oh my God. Mana silly? Eh?
I don't think so.
No, we didn't tell him.
We didn't tell him.
What time is this flight?
9:55.
Oh. So I have time to readjust and
Yes, you
That's why
do.
we meant to leave on time
Right.
because we need to use time to
Readjust. Mommy, are you excited?
Mommy, get happy.
Are you in shock? What? Are you in shock?
Other wigs?
Yeah, I brought my colored. In fact, I brought the colored one because I said, oh, since we're going by ourselves, I might as well wear the colored one.
Okay. We're going, guys. We going to Las Vegas. I need you, Las Vegas. Oh, I'm so excited.
Mommy, are you okay?
So when did you tell Grace?
This week. We didn't tell Lawrence or Chris until this week, right?
I didn't tell him until after.
After.
Done.
Yeah, after everything.
But when did you guys start planning it?
A couple weeks ago?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mommy, what's wrong? You don't look happy.
Lost my mind. I don't even know. You guys don't know people that I have told are going to.
Yeah, but when you tell them now, this story is better.
Yeah.
But I have to bounce out of it in my head.
Oh yeah, that's why you
And
told
when I
them that you
bounce
were
out-
surprised.
Yeah, you were surprised. Your Mother's Day and birthday present. You're going to Las Vegas to see Celine Dion. This is my first concert. Mommy, this is your first concert? Mommy, is this your first concert?
Celine Dion.
Yep. We have good seats too, Mom.
What seat?
Good seats.
To see her really well.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
So I just say if I not talk about Friday and you just Texas.
Texas.
Oh, me next
Yeah.
week?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no.
Good morning, Mommy. Mommy, day one of your surprise vacation.
What?
Said good morning, day one of your surprise vacation.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Now we start with. About to start with special toast, orange vanilla toast from Las Vegas. Looking forward. Our breakfast.
Yeah, so we made it to Vegas and Mommy was in shock on the plane. She didn't really, Mommy, when did it sink in?
I'm not sure I'm really there yet, but I believe it will happen. I'm still in the clouds, so to say. That I'm
Okay.
here to see Celine Dion. I got to talk to my people first. Okay?
Yeah, so we're here. We're obviously waiting for our breakfast to come. Yeah, waiting for our breakfast to come. And then Inky and I are going to explore a little bit. Mommy says she's going to take another nap after breakfast because she's on vacation. I mean, that's fine. You can do that. Then we go to the pool. The pool over there.
And massage.
Oh yeah, and massage. We'll find a massage. Inky can sponsor us.
I can't sponsor
Yeah.
your husband to sponsor
You can do what?
I said I can't sponsor anybody. I was trying to sponsor myself.
Oh my God, the shoe.
And we're also celebrating Inky's graduation. This is part of Inky's graduation trip.
Yep. Celebrate.
Congrats, Inky. Oh yeah, I haven't vlogged since the party ended. Did you have a good time?
Yeah. Feel it, Christy?
No.
I feel it, Christy.
You look fresh faced. I was in the pool and I forgot to vlog, but yeah, we're trying to run away from the sun, so we have to move our chairs so we don't get burnt out here. Mom, let's zoom into Mommy. Mom, can you wave over here? Over here? Yeah, I'm zoomed in. Wow, Mommy. Inky, are you enjoying your drink?
Yes.
Cool down?
Okay.
Feels good. Yeah, mommy was my photographer for the day. She was taking some action shots, good pics of me. So I'll be posting on the ground.
Why?
So we got our snacks, Bishop. Yeah. But you don't need it. Our $8 snacks. $8 snacks.
You know why I didn't like that is because if that
Bottled
thing is,
water is $8.
that thing was crusty and I paid $7 for it, I'd be pissed. Whereas you know what M&M's taste like. You know what I mean? Like I would be mad because I'm a very particular about my cookies. Very particular about my cookies. I'm a cookie.
Well, you got
cookie
M&M's
connoisseur.
and
M&M's.
here's
So,
good. We're gonna go in yet or no?
You're going to be situated. Are you videoing? Are
Yeah,
we
yeah.
in it?
Mommy's ready for the show.
Ready to roll.
Wow. Concert's over. Did you enjoy, mommy?
It's not enough.
Yeah. But it's sold out tomorrow
The
night.
same thing.
No, she probably changes it up.
Oh, you sold out tomorrow night?
Yeah, because we were supposed to go tomorrow, but it was sold out, so we went today. Mommy left us. And Ikini got stuck at Becca Primer. At Becca. But we got Sephora stuff. Now waiting for Iki. We need to go. What? What is that? Oh, I like it. It's orange. I like it. But I do have an orange blush, which I love.
If I would have seen
I
that,
love.
if I would have seen that, I might have gotten
Mommy went to the Venetian already.
Where is she?
She went up the escalator. She's looking for us. Come on, Nikki, let's go. Yeah, we went to Sephora. And I got my eyebrow pencil I usually get. And I got the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in orange called Spicy. We'll do a mini haul later, I guess. Wow. What language is that? Mommy is ridiculous. Mommy, you're too silly for me. Okay, that's enough. All right, that's enough. Back to regular scheduled programming. This water is glorious. Glorious. But I already put my bathing suit in that water.
Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up.
Alright, so I just got to the hotel, got to Houston. I have to get dressed really fast because the tradition already started and everyone's already there. So I'll be vlogging there, but the hotel is so nice. Look at the view. It's so pretty. We have a nice balcony. Ooh, I'm so ready. Okay, see you later. Bye.
Hey, he's body, baby, oh Lord of his mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder me, eh, 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 eh. You want murder, 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 murder me. You want murder, 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 murder.
Brought my chargers, and my other chargers, and my other chargers, and I got my chargers of the chargers. So I'm ready to go. Oh, you want to slap me? Let me slap you first. Here, hold my stuff. Let me slap you first. That mommy. Hi, Mom. You look good.
Thanks. Where's everybody else?
Nobody's here. I was the first. Yeah. Okay.
Let's go find it.
Gentlemen, it is my honor to present to you Drs. Imani and Yelu Chukwumarija.
Gorgeous, like, oh my god. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous.
For you, my lady, I got a cash to make you go crazy, make you look flashy all the days of the week. Always got me loving you, no I never stop. A beauty queen, yes you fly like Ivory. One in a million, Alabama pirates. My flow smooth like a pirate. Your body burning, hot plate. You're special, you a hot cake. Me I fit chop you like conflict. Yes, I'm a boss like Rose. Chilling at the club, pass me the rose. But I'm taking more shots than Jose. Baby shake it for me, oh shit. I want hate and but you like waiting. True love it, love it. Don't have for just love. Baby show me love it, love it. True love it, love it. Don't have for just love. On to the next, let's flex. Just know that baby you're the best. No, I'll never be like your ex-man. Cause you know
there was 3 of us. One didn't make it. Then there were 2. Kosie's ready. Let's go get breakfast at Cheesecake Factory.
Yeah, let's go eat.
I love your necklace.
Thank you. Just got it from Forever 21 downstairs.
The wedding was beautiful last night.
Sure was.
Beautiful.
I'll see you guys later.
All right. You want us to bring you back anything?
Perfect.
Of course. All right, we just got finished with breakfast and I saw God. I saw him and Jesus Christ. Cheesecake Factory has the best breakfast of all time. Slow clap for Cheesecake Factory. Seriously, like, I just had the best pancakes. Kosi's sandwich, I don't even know, it was like a breakfast sandwich. I don't know what it was, but Kosi said it was disturbing because it was too good to be true. It was too, like, I had a piece of it and I was like, I just saw God. Like, I saw him in front of me. Best breakfast of all time. Alright, so we just had a great moment here. Kosi has been the entertainer of the day. So Kosi wanted to go to, where was the first place you wanted to go to?
Raising Cane's.
No, there's African restaurant. It's closed. So she cried. Okay, Raising Cane's. So I joked that Raising Cane's was closed on Sundays, and then she had a panic attack. And I said, just kidding. And she was like, you know what? Let me call because you could be in cahoots with these people. So she calls, and she's like, are you guys open? And they're like, yes. And she was like, good. Okay, I can hear noise in the background. It was just like that extra just to confirm that they were really open.
Major keys.
What are the major keys?
They said we shouldn't eat, but we should eat. Major keys.
And then end it with, and then there's another part that was really good, but I forget it.
I feel like I'm in Barcelona again. Thanks for playing me some nice music, little JJ. Junior, how long have you been playing the guitar?
A long time.
Yeah, he's been playing since, it's over 10 years.
Something like that.
Yeah, Junior's loved the guitar since he could talk.
Okay, this is a very special moment in my life. I'm about to buy a ring for the love of my life and hopefully get to propose to her this weekend. And I know she'll want to be my wife, so I'm looking forward to that time. Finally, this day's here. I just stepped out of the jewelry store to get a ring for the love of my life. You know, I didn't know this day was gonna come ever, you know. And here it is. And I can't wait. I can't wait to propose to her and ask her to be my wife. Yeah, I can't wait to make Ify my wife. Ify, I want to marry you, and I hope you want to marry me too. I look forward to that moment. I love you, babe. And yeah, I'm sorry guys, I have to put this on. It's just a very emotional moment for me. It's just very emotional for me. But yeah, I look forward to an eternity with Ify. I look forward to spending the rest of my life with her. And I know we're gonna have a wonderful, wonderful family. I love you, babe. Be my wife.
I didn't. That's mommy's stuff.
Okay.
Mommy has cloth in there, so she might have to take it out because we don't need it.
Wait, where's the cloth? This?
Yeah, that's not my stuff.
What did she need it?
I don't know.
Or did she pack this last night, like needing it?
No, I don't think so.
Take this out. We don't need this either.
What is that?
More cloth?
You know, mommy has like 3 suitcases.
She does?
Well,
I don't know where that's gonna fit.
Like she has a big one.
Why?
She has a big one and then a carry-on, and then 2 handbags.
That's not gonna work out.
Are you sitting in the back seat or am I?
It's in the back.
You're sitting in the back?
I'm sitting in the back.
Okay.
You have a serious problem.
Yeah, we're going to Maryland!
No, I didn't say to you have to yell.
Maryland! To God be
Junior has his headphones.
the glory. To God be the greatest glory. To God be the greatest glory. I'm a nephew.
Hey guys, okay, so we had a little stop here in somewhere between the border of Pennsylvania and Maryland. So we stopped for food. We've been driving. We have 2 more hours and then we're there. Junior was sleeping. Backseat driver. Now for this leg, mommy was the DJ for the first leg. So this leg, I'm the DJ now.
That I'm what?
You were the DJ the first half because you were playing your CD. So now I'm DJ. So I have my playlist.
But then he played me.
You need help. You need help.
Skin jet.
That's what I just said.
That's what we were just talking
Mommy,
about.
did you hear what I said?
doesn't
Junior
listen.
said,
You said
he
Subway
pizza? Yeah, he said he wants Subway, pizza, and Dairy Queen.
Oh.
That's what he wants.
Oh. Did you bring your wallet?
Mommy.
I told you.
You're paying for all of this. What are you talking about?
Junior.
How much money were you given? Like $500?
Over there. Right, mommy. Mommy.
Restaurant. Okay. Have we been here before? I kind of thought that we have.
I've never been in here
Or
before.
the other side of it.
I mean, we've been in a lot of rest area places around this area of the United States, so they all kind of all look the same. I think I broke my knee.
Junior, where is man?
You need help, Junior? Baby? Look at your face. Junior was like, leave.
Can I use that when we have anything in it?
What do you mean? I'm going to the bathroom.
Yep. The day's finally here. I'm gonna pop the question by midnight today, so I have about 4 hours more to prepare myself for that great moment. And right now I'm in Maryland, and Ify thinks I'm still at home in Pennsylvania, but little does she know I'm already in town, because she's on her way to Maryland right now. But little does she know I'm already in town, and I'm trying to make this moment very special for her. I hope, I say the right things. I hope I don't trip over her when I ask her that question. But yeah, the moment is coming up pretty soon, and I can't wait to ask her to be my wife.
You're the mother of my two, baby Balanga. So actually we got to Maryland. I'm actually still getting ready. They're having like a pre-wedding party and stuff. Inky and Lawrence are still on their way here. Chris is still on his way here, so I'm waiting for them at the hotel. And then when they come, then we'll go. And then we're gonna go out later tonight and stuff like that. So just finished my makeup. All I have to do is put my dress on and like fluff out my hair. So, and they should be here by now. I think he should be here by now. So I'm just here waiting to know what we're doing. I'm kind of lost, but we'll be okay.
So yeah, I'm ready and set to head out to go ask Ify to be my wife. And I can't wait to hear her say yes. I guess, I'm kind of nervous, but I guess this is how it's supposed to be when you're about making this great step. Yeah, I'm also, sweating a little bit, and the air conditioner is on. But yeah, Ify, I'm about to ask you to be my wife, and I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
I'm done getting ready, and everyone's here. Pause. And everybody's here, and Key's getting ready. I think she should be done soon. And I'm ready. Check out the outfit. And my shoes. Oh, let me see if this is a better look on everything. I think so. Yeah. So I curled this hair, and I love it. It's so big and fluffy, and oh, so good. It has so much texture with the hair, which is good. So yeah, loving this hair. Loving this hair. Because I had a vision, I was like, okay, if I curl this, like, would it look good? not that I didn't think it would look good, but like, will it be nice and big and fluffy? And I was like, yes, it is. So I'm happy. So I'm ready to go. Waiting for someone to say, let's go.
So yep, I'm at the parking lot about to go ask Ify to be my wife. So I can't wait. So yeah, we're all here and we're waiting for Ify to get here. So I can't wait. Yeah, her best friend is here. You know, and a couple of my friends are here too. So, and her mom is also here. So yep, we're waiting.
My damn flash.
We have to check this whole thing, right? Let's get this new Can't hear you. Ify. So we have I know it's been just a short time, I think, since I met you, since I got to know you. Oh, we've had very great experiences. And from my experiences, I know I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Aww. And I remember the moment I made up my mind to be with you. It was a very simple incident where I made a big change in my life. And I want you to know that I might not be the perfect man, but I want to be your man. Ify Ekparu, will you marry me? Aww. It's so cute. Chris, you correct? Okay.
She said yes.
Did you say yes? Did she say yes?
Did she say yes?
Did you hear it?
Did you hear it?
Yes.
Say louder. Louder.
Yes.
Oh! Awesome.
Nice, Chris.
Congrats. You never paid rent right here.
Anambra Rangers.
Anambra Rangers.
There is God, though.
That is good,
There is God, though.
Imo Rangers.
Please, can I see that ring? Please, can I see that ring?
I would love to see the ring.
Wow. Company has been off all this flash, man. That's in the reflect.
Yeah, we like it to reflect.
Boy, I know my eye, man.
Android people, why did you not like No, Android. Okay, actually.
It doesn't need flash.
Oh, yeah, get together. Listen. Congratulations.
IHOP in my ring. You can't get any better than that. Thanks, babe. Hold on. Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
So I got my ring and you took me to IHOP. As I said, can't get any better than that. Can't get any better than that. Thanks.
You're welcome.
So I'm getting my
Let me read what you're
buttermilk pancakes. That's all I need. That's all you need to make me happy. Diamonds and pancakes. Hey, babe. Good morning. Actually, it's afternoon because I did not sleep last night and I took a nap like 8 o'clock this morning. But good morning. It's the day after and I'm still like in the clouds. Like, is this life? Real life? Is this happening? So yeah, so we're actually getting ready for the wedding. But yes, I'm engaged. It was so fun. I don't even think I vlogged yesterday, like when it was happening. But everyone had it on video, which you already seen so far right now. But yes, I'm engaged to my baby boo 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 boo, my future baby daddy. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. I'm gonna do like a sit down of like everything about, you know, the engagement and stuff like that, and I'm getting all the backstory from everybody now, so I'll give you guys details later in the video. But yeah, it's like not real, but yes, I'm so happy, and thank you guys for all your comments and your well wishes and your congrats. Thank you so much. You guys have been with me since the beginning. All of y'all know the beginning of everything, so thank you guys so much, and thank you for all your blessings and everything like that. Anyways, we're getting ready for the wedding. All the family's here. We're here, getting ready. We're in Baltimore, about to have a lit weekend. So yes, we're here. Junior, thanks for helping planning my engagement.
No problem.
Junior was right front and center, vlogging for me.
I was.
You're not gonna look at me?
I can't. I don't look good right now.
Junior! Anyways, my mom is out shopping somewhere, getting her head tie tied. So I hope she comes back soon because the wedding time's at 6. And it's, what time is it? It's almost 4. So we have like 2 hours to be ready. So anyways, I'm about to iron my dress. This is the dress I'm wearing. This is my dress. It's so pretty. And then this is Inky's dress. It's so pretty. So we will do a nice jewel tone color coordinating, and then Inky and Lawrence are color coordinating, then Chris and I are color coordinating. So we about to slay today.
Yeah, yeah. Na 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 na. Yeah. It's Buddy baby oh, Buddy baby oh. Na 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 na. Yeah. It's your happy day. It's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh. Make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Ibadi elulu, ganga, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ibadi elulu, ganga, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. So I go give you daughter. She go call you mommy, and she go call me daddy, and we go call her baby, oh. Alright, fella, so, hey, show my baby love, Leo, Leo. Let me be your man tonight, tonight, and I just wanna be the one you like, Money, go power like Ojo. Say I want you to be mine, money, go power like Ojo. Say I want you to be mine, oh. It's your happy day. It's a wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh. Make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Ibadi elulu, ganga, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ibadi elulu, ganga, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Baby, oh. Baby, oh, baby, oh, I just want you to be my lady, yeah. What God has joined together, let no man put us under, yeah. Baby, oh, baby, oh, baby, oh, I'll give you love and affection, I'll give you love and protection. Money, go far like Ojo. Say I want you to be mine. Money, go far like Ojo. Say I want you to be mine, oh. It's your happy day. It's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh. Make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Ibadi elulu, ganga, oh. jẹ́jẹ́. Ìbàdí ẹ̀ lùlù gángan o. Ìbàdí ẹ̀ lùlù jẹ́jẹ́. Kẹjọ kẹjọ, let's go, let's go. Aunty mi kò kó mọ́lẹ̀, brother mi kò kó mọ́lẹ̀, sister mi kò kó mọ́lẹ̀, uncle mi kò kó mọ́lẹ̀. It's your happy day.